Hi, I'm Katie from Shop Wild Things. I am here to show you our new interchangeable giant branches for our existing tree bases. If you've purchased any of our trees from us in the past, you've probably noticed that the branches that come with them have a special connector that you place into the tree base. And we've gotten some new branches so that you can make any of our trees into anything else. So you save quite a bit of money if you've already purchased our trees. So these are giant rose, like cascading, drooping rose branches that you can add to your trees. Now these aren't super cheap. It's not like you're going to save 75% by purchasing the interchangeable branches. These are very high quality. They're big and beefy, but you'll save quite a bit if you're not having to buy another base again, another like tree trunk. So we have this particular style in 4 different colors: pink, a multicolor, blue, and white. And we also have some smaller branches like dogwood and cherry blossoms that stand straight up, cherry blossoms that droop over. And we have some willows and ficus and all kinds of new interchangeable branches. So check them all out. We'll put lots of links in the bottom of the video.